Good morning, children. The homework for today is you're going to complete the back exercise of this chapter. Okay, the chapter is over. Question answers you have written already, most of you. So now, today you can try and solve this exercises. Okay, now few things are cut. I'm just going to tell. Okay, so fill in the blanks. Okay, so in this you can cut off fifth one. Okay, that's not in your syllabus. Just cut it off. Give one word answer, you'll do. Fourth, you need not do. Maximum pressure, variation, all that you need not do. C part, you need not do because already you have done this. Most of these definitions you have written. D part, you are going to do in your notebook. In notebook. Now these all, you just write it in your book. In book itself, you'll just write the answer here and leave it. Same way here, this also in book. But distinguish between or difference between the following you're going to write in your notebook. Okay, high pitch and low pitch and loudness, and then loud sound and soft sound. For high pitch and low pitch, diagram can be one of the point. Okay, for high pitch you can draw that diagram, low pitch you can draw that diagram. So high pitch means it will have more amplitude, low pitch will have less amplitude. Then second point, you can draw the diagram. Okay, or you can give an example also. You can give an example of a high pitch sound here and for a low pitch sound here. Okay, so then loud sound and soft sound also. Sorry, high pitch and low pitch, not amplitude but frequency. So high pitch will have high frequency, low pitch will have low frequency. So second point can be diagram, third point can be example. Same way for loud sound and soft sound. First is the definition, second point is the diagram, and third point will be the example. Okay, pitch and loudness, again the definition, and then pitch depends on frequency, loudness depends on amplitude. Those 2 points will be fine. So you're going to write all these three in your notebook. Now, E part you can leave because almost all these question answers you've already written in your notebooks. So just leave it. Come next to true or false. If false, you have to rewrite the correct form. This is also in book. This also you will do it in book itself. In this, strike off the third one. You don't have to do the third one. That's not in your syllabus. And then come to the next page. Turn to the next page. In this, match the following. Again, you cut off this one and this one. Okay. Now, give reason. This also in book. Give reason again in notebook. Okay, give reason. You have to write in your notebook. Okay. You can try and search for these answers. You will find it in the book. Or large drum produces louder sound. Larger area. Okay, so this point says this one, no? Loudness depends on surface area of vibrating body. Larger the surface area, louder is the sound. So a large drum has a large surface area, so loud sound is heard. Loud sound is produced when one shouts because he is producing lot of energy. He is using lot of energy. Cuckoo's voice is shriller because cuckoo's voice is high frequency and crow's voice is low frequency. Loudness of sound decreases as one moves away because loudness is inversely proportional. Loudness, so you can write this point. If listener is close to the source of sound, the person hears it quite louder, but if he is far away, okay. So then we can guess the filling of a bucket placed under a water tap by hearing the sound produced. Okay, that is also there. That is also depending on frequency. As this bucket fills, as the bucket fills, the length of air column will decrease. So accordingly, the sound that you hear, this also you would have noticed many times when a bucket is, you kept a bucket in the bathroom to be filled, you open the tap and you came out, you will be able to figure out when the bucket is getting filled. The sound difference you can see. That's because as the water rises, this length of air column will decrease, so frequency will also change. So that is how we are able to make out by hearing from a distance. A flute has a number of holes along its length to change the length of air column. Okay. The numerical problems, you can leave it. You're not going to have that, so you can leave it. The last is the multiple choice questions. Again, you can solve everything in the book itself. Okay, multiple choice questions, we're going to do it in the book. Okay, so is it clear, children? So in the notebook, you'll be writing difference between the following and give reasons for the following. Other things all to be done in the book. You can cancel, define the following, answer the following questions, and numericals also you can cut off. Okay, please finish it today itself. Thank you so much.